guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a sort of Indian version of a coconut truffle. I call it a coconut ladoo. It's basically a coconut ball. It tastes kind of like a Raffaello. It requires literally 3 ingredients, so it's a perfect sweet recipe for when you're really craving something, and it's something that you can make around the holidays because it kind of looks like a snowball, but of course you can make it at any time of the year if you're craving something sweet and if you like coconut. It's kind of like a Raffaello, so if you like that, you will love this recipe. So let's get started. To begin, add 115 grams or 1.5 cups of desiccated coconut to a non-stick frying pan. Now make sure you're using a non-stick frying pan, you'll thank me later. And over low heat, just stir the coconut gently until it softens slightly. It shouldn't start to toast. If it starts to do this, then you really need to turn down the heat. Next, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. This is optional, but it's highly recommended, and a pinch of salt. Now be careful here because coconut tends to brown quite quickly and we don't want this for this recipe. Now I'm going to add in 200 grams or 2/3 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Just stir the ingredients together for around 5 to 7 minutes. Now you could easily double the recipe to use a full can of sweetened condensed milk, but I actually used the other half for some recipe testing. If you don't already know, I have a cookbook coming out next year, so that's what it went for. And stay tuned on that, more information to follow in 2021. Now this recipe only takes a few minutes to put together, and when it's close to being done, you can throw in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and just take the mixture off the heat. Essentially, you want the mixture to come together and pull from the sides of the pan. Let it cool till it can be handled because it'll be quite hot right now. And when it's cool to the touch, you can roll the mixture into 1 tablespoon sized balls. Now I like to roll the balls in some desiccated coconut so that it looks a bit more like a snowball, perfect for the holiday season. You could also dip them in some chocolate to make it more like a bounty than a Raffaello. This recipe is perfect for coconut lovers. It's so easy to put together, it's super festive for the holidays, but really you can enjoy this delicious treat any time of year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope that you are enjoying the holiday season. If you give this a try, make sure to send me a picture or let me know how it turned out. You can tag me on Instagram. I'm at Hot Chocolate Hits. You can also contact me via Facebook at Hot Chocolate Hits again. The full printable recipe will be available on my blog at hotchocolatehits.com. And if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you thought. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.